upset. Rolly Romero wins this one via unanimous decision. Sira ang plano. Sira ang plano ni Devin Haney at ni Ryan Garcia. Rolly Romero winning this one via unanimous decision in a very upsetting fight for Ryan Garcia. Ryan Garcia knocked down in the second round and that changed the fight. Iba talaga. Ryan Garcia, yung laro niya po, he was very defensive. He was outboxed by Rolly Romero. The AI judges giving this to Ryan Garcia, but Coppinger was right. 118 at saka 115. Ay, sobra naman yung 118. Pero yung 115, 112, 115, oh my God. It is a big upset. Ryan Garcia is the main event at sira ang plano. Ang masasabi ko lang, natakot po si Ryan Garcia dito po kay Rolly Romero after the knockdown. And he's being interviewed right now. Tingnan natin kung ano sasabihin dito. Pero ang masasabi ko lang, sira ang plano. May rematch ang mangyayari against Rolly Romero and Devin Haney. Hindi ko lang alam kung papayagan niya labanan si Teofimo Lopez. But Rolly Romero, the silent type, he is now the winner. Ryan Garcia, tingnan natin kung nasabihin ni Ryan Garcia dito. Sandali Okay, bago ko ituloy ito gusto ko nang imbitahan kayo sa Canelo Alvarez. Nandito po ako May 4 Sunday. And then si Charlie Suarez, magkakaroon po kami ng watch party dito kay Suarez tsaka kay Navarrete. Mag-message na kayo kaagad sa Skyline Sports and Social. Magpa-reserve na kayo ng seat. Sigurado maraming manonood sa laban po ni Charlie Suarez at saka ni Emmanuel Navarrete. Iyak si Ryan Garcia, guys. Congrats, Rolly. Anyway, talo po si Ryan Garcia. Hindi ko alam kung matutuloy yung Devin Haney versus Ryan Garcia rematch because Ryan Garcia failed to do what he was supposed to do. Ryan Garcia was knocked down in the second round and that ultimately changed the fight.